Hello, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a DeLonghi Magnifica, which was brought in because it was leaking into the drip tray even when the machine was off. And what we had found is that the seal on the water reservoir was going bad. It was perforated, and so even when the machine sat overnight, it would just leak out of the water reservoir and into the drip tray. But we've replaced the whole water reservoir and everything is good to go. So we'll pull a shot, and we've had this thing sitting overnight, and you can see a completely dry drip tray. Alright, it's going to stop at about 2 ounces. There you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.